today's episode.
Howdy, howdy. Howdy, 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 ho. Heedy, 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 hee. Howdy, howdy, howdy.
Let's get down to make sure you subscribe.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How are we on this lovely Tuesday morning? 3:45 a.m. It is day of my 100 kilo cut. We had a successful Monday. Good day at work. Good workout. Good dinner. Good sleep. Would be better if it was longer, but it was a decent sleep. Today, I hope to repeat the same outcome as yesterday. So get into work, have a good day, get home, work out, have a good dinner, go to bed, have a good sleep. Fingers crossed. Oh, the weather is a bit rainy, but apparently, according to the radio I just heard, it's supposed to clear up like around lunchtime, a little bit after lunchtime. Coffee, how good's coffee? I want to buy a coffee machine then, but I have no clue. If anyone that watches my channel and wants to give me some advice about a coffee machine, let me know in the comments. I can't decide. Like, I don't want to spend a ridiculous amount of money on a coffee machine, right? But I can't decide if I want to get a coffee machine that you put, the little pods in, or a coffee machine that you put the beans in. Because most days I just have, well, pretty much Monday to Friday I have a black coffee. But come Saturday or Sunday on the weekend, I wouldn't mind having, a cappuccino, a latte, anything like that. Know what I'm saying? Yeah. And coffee machines range from $80 to like 80 grand. Ridiculous, man. Like, the world of coffee machines, like, it's crazy. If you were wondering, a little update on the curl machine I was chasing after. I didn't get it. Sold to someone else. The curl machine evades Mr. Dylan 92 once again. It's my arch enemy, my nemesis. You can never catch one. Oh well, it is what it is. We'll get one when the time's right. We'll get one when I'm meant to get one. You win some, you lose some. But with the curl machine, I keep losing. I'll figure it out. Anyways, I'll listen to what Luke Boner has to say this morning about whatever he's talking about. Triple M. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Be safe, be courageous, and be you. Hey, it's me again. Just finished work on the way home. It is currently 3:15. Finished work about 20 minutes ago, half hour ago, something like that. And yeah, I'm on the way home. It wasn't too bad of a day today. Didn't do as much as was planned because things got switched around. So I did less work, but in the same amount of time. So, oh well, shit happens, huh? How's everyone's day? Today I'll be working out my arms. I'm trying to work out earlier than last night because I want to go to sleep a bit earlier. We'll try to at least, you know. So, have my pre-workout straight away. Then I think we'll be right. Should get home by 4:30, hopefully. What's this guy doing, bro? People in like La La Land when they're driving, man, like drift out of the lane and that, like it's like a whole car in the next lane. You're just almost hitting them. Oh well. Yeah, I'll do some. I might get my I can't remember the name of it. What's it called? Like you put it around your head like a necklace type of thing, and it's like a steel bar that goes along your chest, and then you do your curls with it. Something blaster maybe, bicep blaster or something. I don't know. You'll see them work out. I'll do a bit of that. Do a whole lot of cables, and I'll do a whole lot of curl and bars. You'll see. I'm gonna kill my arms today. I'm gonna smash them. I haven't worked my arms out in a long time, and today's goal is just to smash the crap out of my arms. I don't care if I'm sore for the next few days. I just gotta suck it up and deal with it. You know what I mean? And yeah, that's my story for this afternoon. And I'll see you when I see you. I've blown my clutch on my car. This is gonna cost me so much money. You're joking. I don't need this, man. Straight out. Attempt number 2 for rice paper rolls. Done some research on YouTube, and I'm still pissed off about my car. Been trying to fix it all night. We'll have to wait for a part now. It's late. Dinner time. That's better than last night. Still learning. Dinner. Fanta Light. Rice paper rolls are the bomb.